Create this winter product design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select 736 by 920 pixels. First, change the background color. Subscribe to my channel for the color code and all resources. Upload product picture. Remove the background and crop the extra blank areas. Go to the elements and add a orange light. Rotate it 40 degrees. Add an orange shadow. Change the position to backward. Add a black shadow under the bottle. Change the position to backward. Go to the elements and add a mango slice. Duplicate this. Make both mango slices 70% blur. Add another mango element from the image section. Make it 70% blur. Duplicate this. Now add a mango cube. Go to Edit and then reduce the brightness to -10. Apply Belvedere filter. Also make it 70% blur. Select the product image. Go to Position and drag it above all the elements. Now select this mango slice and drag it above all. Add a rectangle shape. Corner rounding 5. Go to Color option and copy the current color. Make this gradient with this color. Now change the color to dark. Change the position to backward. Duplicate this shape. Swap the gradient color. Add a text. Change the color to white, and alignment will be left. Change the font to Recoleta. Reduce the line spacing. Duplicate this text. Now, duplicate this text and change the alignment to middle. Write the product details. Now, duplicate this text and make it light. Write other details. Change the text color. Add a text. Change the color to white and font. Delirium NCV. Adjust the size and position. Go to position and drag it under all the elements. Change the transparency to 50. Change this shape position under the bottle image. Here is the final version. Hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check the description for the design template. Thanks for watching.